Hi. Hey there. I made it. I survived the big storm. You know, it's funny. I've had these snow bibs since I'm like 20, maybe even younger. I might have even got these in high school, you guys. Wow, did they come in handy. And don't ask why I've kept them that long. Anyway, I shoveled my first driveway. About 30 minutes. Arms kind of sore, but I did it. Anyway, I thought I'd just check in and say hi. I went into town, did a little stuff, survived the roads, and got some more oatmeal cookies. Yes, I did. Okay, I love you.